This faceless YouTube channel popped up on my feed, and guess what? According to Social Blade, they're pulling in over $10,000 a month using just stock footage, AI voiceover, and simple edits. When looked closer, I realized that they are picking top trending topics having high RPMs. Their secret sauce is their script writing. Their scripts are so good I didn't even realize I'd already watched a couple of their videos. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how they do it, step by step, how to find the perfect topic, how to use AI to write smooth scripts, how to prepare creatives, and how to put everything together fast and clean. Stick around till the end, and you'll learn how to create with AI and earn without showing your face. Let's dive in. Yes, now we are starting with one of the most important steps in YouTube automation, topic selection. This is truly the most critical part of the process. If you get this wrong, the video will likely perform poorly. For example, let's look at this channel I showed you earlier. Its videos are performing quite well overall. I'm going to take a general look at the videos and identify which one is performing significantly better than the others. Let's say most of the videos are getting around 400,000 to 500,000 views. But then, one video stands out. It has 1 million views. That catches my attention. From what we can see, the topic of that video is billionaires. Compared to the other titles, this one clearly received more clicks. So, I believe this topic, billionaires, is interesting and engaging. You can do the same. Go to channels you like, look through their videos, and identify the ones that perform better than the rest. That way, you can figure out which topics work best. Based on this analysis, I've decided to make a video about wealthy people. As the second step, we're going to create our script. I've prepared a prompt formula for you to use. With this, you can easily write a personalized script on any topic you want, using any sample script as a reference. In this part of the script, we write how many words we want. Roughly every 75 words equals about 20 seconds of video. Then, in the examples section of the prompt, you'll paste example lines from videos that inspire you, like the video you want to model your script after. In the final part, you'll write the topic you want the script to be about. For example, let's say I want to base my video on the one I chose earlier, the one about a wealthy people's work style. I copy the link of that video and go to one of the sites that generate video transcripts. From the transcript, I pick a few lines that match the tone and I add them to the prompt. I already prepared one earlier, so let me show you. As you can see, I set the word count to 150. In the examples section, I added a few lines from the sample video, so the AI understands the tone and structure I'm aiming for. For the topic, I chose wealthy people work styles. This is how I created my prompt. You can do the same. Copy lines from any video you like, set a word count, choose your topic, and you've got your own custom prompt. Now I'll use this prompt in ChatGPT to generate a script. The result is great. It also includes traits among famous people, which makes the script even better. We can now use this to create our video, so the script is ready. As I mentioned, you can use this method with any topic. Just copy the transcript from a sample video and generate your own version. The style of this sample script is confident and informative, just like the original video, and I really liked that. The script is now done, so we can move on to the next step. If you're finding the video helpful, hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. It is like a digital high five to me. It motivates me to create more for you. Step 3 is converting the script we created into a voiceover. For this, I use the DupDub app. Compared to 11 Labs, DupDub is more budget-friendly while offering the same voice quality. I go to the voiceover section in DupDub. Here, by clicking at the top, I can choose different voices. I select the Ultra option for higher quality, more expressive voices. You can also choose different emotional tones. For example, I'll listen to both the happy and sad versions of a few voices.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait. Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait. Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait. Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait. Hello, let's turn ideas into reality together. Don't wait.
Yes, I like the happy version of the last voice I listened to, so I'll use that one. I select the voice and choose the happy emotion to generate the voiceover. Now the voice is ready. Let's listen.
Something's unusual. Look closely at the world's richest people. They don't just work hard. They work differently. Elon Musk jumps between meetings like they're sprints. Oprah blocks out time for deep thinking.
It's a pleasant male voice, happy and narrative in tone. I think it'll sound great in the video. Now I'll download the voiceover to my computer and move on to the next step. In the final step, we'll collect visual scenes and combine them using an editing app, adding subtitles and background music. To start, I use ChatGPT to brainstorm visual ideas based on the script. For example, in the opening scene, it gave the idea of a city with people walking around. Then maybe an exterior shot of a luxury office. After that, a transition showing famous figures with a headline-style introduction. I think this makes for a strong opening. In the part of the script that talks about the routines of famous people, ChatGPT imagines scenes like someone rushing from one meeting to another, or a woman journaling in a peaceful, minimalist setting. Then maybe an elderly man reading a book. I think that would look great visually. I copy and paste these ideas into my list and search for suitable visuals. I am using free stock websites like Pixabay. I make sure to choose the video option to find clips instead of images. Let's see what we can find. Yes, this one showing people at work looks good. We can use that. This city footage is also nice. Now let's search for a meditation scene. This one works well. Let's look for something that symbolizes reading. Yes, this one looks perfect. I find and download all the stock photos and videos I suggested by ChatGPT to my computer, and then I'll combine them in an editing tool to complete the video. I've gathered all the voiceovers and the stock photos and videos that ChatGPT suggested and we found online. As you can see here, I started by adding the voiceover from the third row and removed any silent gaps in between. Then I arranged the downloaded stock videos and photos to match the flow of the voiceover. To make the video smoother, I added transitions between scenes, as you can see here. Next, I added a motivational music track to the final layer and adjusted the volume. Lastly, I used an automatic captioning ad. Subtitles. The whole process took me about 5 to 10 minutes, since I was mostly just organizing pre-made materials and scenes in order. If you make your preparation good, editing is very simple. Now, let me show you the final video.
Something's unusual. Look closely at the world's richest people. They don't just work hard. They work differently. Elon Musk jumps between meetings like they're sprints. Oprah blocks out time for deep thinking. Warren Buffett? He spends 80% of his day reading. This isn't about hustle culture. It's about how they structure their time. Most people chase productivity. The wealthy, they protect focus. They say no. They automate the small stuff and obsess over the big things. So maybe the real edge isn't just working more, it's designing your work better. Because if success was just about effort, wouldn't more people have it? Want to think like the wealthy? Start by rethinking how you work.
And that's it. We've just finished our YouTube automation tutorial, from writing the script to creating the voiceover and putting it all together with visuals in few simple steps. If the video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Got questions or a tool you want me to cover next? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. You can find all the tool links in the description. Check them out and start your own automation journey today.